if you like spooky content, if you just like makeup, if you just like to yap, if you just like anything, because I really do it all, then don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell. You already know the vibes. Don't forget to like and leave a little comment, because I do be talking to myself here. Help your girl out, you know? So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I didn't do a lot of talking earlier. I probably did a voiceover, hopefully, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to literally do any type of like Frankenstein type of makeup. You literally just have to color in a spot, do some dots, do some lines, and get to work. Like, you know what I mean? Like, stitches is so easy to do. It's literally 2 lines and two dots and a line, 2 dots and a line, and the more that you do them, the image is gonna come out. You know what I mean? This is just fun. This is like something that you want to do if you just don't know what to do and you just want to throw on some colors. I've been wanting to do a Frankenstein, not like a Frankenstein, I don't really call this Frankenstein. I just wanted to do like a patchwork. I haven't done one in so long. The last time I did one was probably like 5 years ago when I did like a scarecrow type, where I did really like that one because the plaid work that I did on it, insane. But I know I have like 50 shades of pink. This wasn't the smartest idea because it covers my neck, but I just wanted to make sure, like, if I'm looking up and I'm looking around, it didn't look weird, like you didn't just see skin. The same thing for my hands. I was gonna go crazy and do the patches on my hands, but I was like, I'm gonna just do pink. And she's cute, you know? It's just like a little last minute thing. You could throw on any outfit that you want and call it a day. It's giving Monster High. I do wish I had lashes on, but like lately, as you've been seeing, I've been struggling with the lashes because I don't have a good lash glue. I cannot find my lash glue. So hopefully by the next one, I will have lashes on. Like, I'm very much considering taking my little trip down Drury Lane and go buying my lash glue and just doing a little quick lash at home, because I really want to get my lashes done right now. Y'all already know my nail tech is K Lashes NYC, but the thing is, every time I do my lashes, I be feeling so cunt, so cute, so beautiful, that it makes me want to do my makeup even more, and then they fall off because I'm always doing my makeup and cleaning it off, and that's not the smartest thing to do. So I'm probably gonna do like a little cluster vibe real fast, or probably throw on a strip, but I don't really want to do a strip. I want to do like a cluster vibe. That way it's like I wouldn't really care too much if it falls out, and I can still feel a little, you know. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell because YouTube does not say when I post. I want you to see when I post personal experience with me. Hello, it's spooky season, and I know the YouTubers you're watching is not as entertaining as me. I just have to say. No, but yes, I'll see you guys in the next one. You're probably gonna be seeing this look in the next couple of videos, so just and enjoy. Okay, bye.